Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we got a person getting a checkup and they want to check their blood pressure, which is gauge pressure in this case. We want to find it in kPa, psi, and we want to find the height of the water column, which in this case is the manometer, in meters. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got this person, we got the inflatable cuff, and that's connected to the manometer to find the blood pressure. Step 2, list all the given values and the unknown, what you're trying to solve. We've got the high height and the low height. So 110 millimeters of mercury and 70 millimeters of mercury. And we're trying to find the gauge pressure for both high and low. Step 3, find the gauge pressure formula. P is equal to rho gh. Pressure is equal to density multiplied by gravity multiplied by height. Step 4, find the high pressure. So it's just plug and play. So we know the manometer is mercury as stated in the question right here. So we know the density is going to be 13,600 kilograms per meter cubed. You can read the pinned comment on where I found it. For legal reasons, I cannot display it in the video. Okay, so density multiplied by gravity multiplied by the height. The height is converted from millimeters to meters. So that is dividing by 1,000. Okay. So we've got our conversion factors to make it kPa. And we will get 14.68 kPa for the high pressure. Step 5, find the low pressure. Once again, just plug in the values. You're just swapping the height. So we're swapping the 0.11 meters for 0.07 meters. And the low pressure will be 9.34 kPa. Step 6, convert kPa to psi. So 1 psi is equal to 6.895 kPa. So here's the conversion. So we've got our kPa. We multiply by the conversion factor. So 1 psi divided by 6.895 kPa. We'll get 2.13 psi for the high pressure. And for the low pressure, we do the same. We multiply our kPa by the conversion factor. We'll get 1.35 psi. Step 7, find the formula for the water column height. So what we need to do is we got to equate the water against the mercury. So here's the formula. In fact, you can probably delete pressure because we know that pressure is what these equate to. Alright, so really it is P1 is equal to P2. I will add that in just so you know where that's coming from. So P1 is equal to P2. Maybe that will help students. So we've got one pressure is equal to another pressure. From there we expand. So once again it is rho gh, so density multiplied by gravity multiplied by height. And we've got water on one side, mercury on the other side. We make water height the subject, so we bring the density of water and gravity to the other side by dividing both sides. So gravity cancels out because it's the same. And we have this equation now. from this equation, we can now plug in the values for the high and low pressures using the heights, and we can find the height of water. Before that, we need to first find the density of water. So assuming it's pure water, it's going to be 1000 kilograms per meter cube. Once again, check the pinned comment on where I found that. I cannot show you the source. Okay. So step 9, find the water column height for the high pressure. So that's the density ratio right here, mercury divided by water, and that's the height of mercury high. So it will be 1.50 meters, and it is rounded up using 2 decimal places. Step 10, find the water column height for low pressure. Once again, you got your density ratio multiplied by the low height, and you'll get 0.952 meters. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down, while I follow all copyright laws, and this is an original question. Things just happen sometimes, you know. So you can do this by using the snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. Okay, so follow these steps if you've never used it before. Once you've got it open, click on the video option. Okay, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Then once it's done, hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. Leave a comment below if this was helpful, or if you found a mistake, or if you got questions. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.